So my creative process for myself, it's not strategic, it's very spontaneous, and I believe that's how you get your best creativity. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, and they're as random as ever. None of them are connected, but when you put them all together, they form a powerful piece.
I draw a lot of my inspiration from the environment and all those different aspects that were quite influential for me as a child, and those memories with my nene and my koro and my mum and my dad.
The stories were carved, te reo te whao, the language of the chisel, was in the carvings or in the tukutuku. It's korero tuku iho. It's only given classroom or learning space, or if it is given, got to make sure we're doing it right.